Crease eye makeup. If you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. First step is to add any white eyeliner as a base to make the white eyeshadow stand out and be more pigmented. And just blending it on the inner corner towards the center of the eyelid. Next, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Iconic 2 Pale's silverish champagne shadow to make a gradient in the center of the crease. Next, I'm taking this Revealed 2 Pale's dark black eyeshadow and adding it on the outer V corner. So for the crease, we have to open our eyes and drag the black eyeshadow with the help of a very thin eyeshadow brush, and then apply it on the natural crease of the eyes. Blend it so that the application is even from the beginning to the end. Next, I'm taking this cake eyeliner and adding it on the very outer part to make the V part stand out and be more precise. I'm making a very sharp line and then blending the outer V part towards the crease. I'm dabbing on more product on the center of the eyelids. Same Makeup Revolution eyeshadow, and now making a gradient again to make it more like a transition out of the eyeshadow. This is a very metallic kind of eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it just below the black crease part, and I'm going to curve it along with the crease. I'll join it with the outer corner of the crease. I'm going to make a very sharp edge as made in the other eye in order to match it with the other eye. Very sharp outer edge like this. Now it's time for the lower eyelid, and for that I'm using the same Coastal Scents black eyeshadow. And here's the trick. What you have to do is just leave the very inner corner as it is, like this, and we'll fill up that part with the white pigment, again the same pigment, and also dabbing some on the inner corner. I mean the face which should be bronzed. The hollows of my cheeks, the temples and the forehead, and some part of my nose and also my jawline. Next, I'm taking this concealer in this dark brown shade, and I'm going to draw lines along the contour areas, the sides of the nose. I'm using my finger as a tool this time. And also on the hollows of my cheeks as usual. I'm sorry for the baby hairs coming up on my face. I'm going to highlight my face with the same NYX contour palette I use in every tutorial. And I just can't get enough of highlight. Here's the final look, and I hope you like the video, and I hope you recreate this and show me your photos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.